It's 442 time, and we have a special one today. A 1969 real 442 number matching 400 with a 4-speed. It's got a 391 posi. It was concourse restored around 2011, and it was part of the Salmon Brothers 140 car collection. It was part of a very prestigious collection. Around 2020 to 2021, it had some major work done, complete rebuild of the engine, and that's when they made a few upgrades. Added Holly Sniper fuel injection, vintage air conditioning, put on some polished wheels. The original wheels will go with the car. They've added a tilt wheel, so it still has its original number matching integrity, has some really nice, well-appreciated upgrades since then. In this book here, we have all sorts of documentation, literature, manuals, receipts. That'll all go with the car. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read the information. Take your time, look at over 100 photos top to bottom, and that's where you'll find a price tag on this one and every car that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com, and each one has a monthly finance option as well. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified when the next one's posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Body was off the frame. The floors look to be pristine, original, has a light factory undercoat, but since then it's been cleaned and dusted with some black paint, so it looks like new. The chassis is all clean and smooth and painted. It has the rally suspension. That's sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms. All the suspension and steering, all that was rebuilt when it was restored and maintained as needed. Great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. The Flowmasters were just put on a year ago. It has the correct 442 trumpet tips coming out through the bumper. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. The fuel system was all replaced. It is updated, so it's compatible with the fuel injection, has electric fuel pump. You look up at the motor, it's just looks like new. It is VIN number matched, and you see that easiest from down below. We have pictures on our website. There's a pad on the side of the block. That VIN number matches this car. Moving on to the transmission, it's the VIN number matched. I think it's an M21 Muncie 4-speed transmission in there. The clutch was replaced not long ago. It's got nice shift linkage, shifts real nice and smooth. Drive shaft was rebuilt. It has 391 posi gears in the back, so that should catapult this car really good at the green light. So underneath the car is close to new. Now let's check out the body. I'll be honest, I've walked around it. I haven't inspected it yet, so hopefully it's as good as it looks. Top of the fender and the hood look amazing. Lines up, square, flush. No issues, no dents, no damage. Laser beam straight. All real nice. We'll get to the paint later, but there is a scratch right here. It's not even 2 finger widths long that's been touched up. But all the body, excellent, all clean, smooth, flush. This door lines up spot on. A little dirt. This body line right here, smooth. It's not wavy. All this is nice and clean. No bubbles, no damage. I don't see any cracking. I don't see body work showing. All this is real nice. Smooth along here. These Oldsmobiles rust along the trunk lid, but not this one. It's all in real nice shape. All clean, smooth body lines, no rust, no damage. The doors fit beautifully. Nice. Lines up real nice, clean metal. Emblems are in the right place, so the body appears to be in excellent shape. It's painted its original Safron Yellow, and it is polished and wet sanded, smooth and glossy. I pointed out that scratch. I didn't see anything else significant. It's a killer paint job. The stripes are painted on smooth to the touch. You don't feel them. The black is like a mirror. So the paint's outstanding. Up front, the emblems, the trim around the grills themselves, the bumper, that's all beautiful. The moldings are all straight and shiny everywhere. Has the correct antenna. Windshield's crystal clear, that was replaced. All the stainless trim, all straight, shiny, polished. The window seals look like they've been replaced. Door handles replaced. Vinyl top looks new. It's a nice soft vinyl. There's no bumps. The rear glass is very clear, has just enough light scratches. I'm not going to call it new, but it's very nice. Got the Oldsmobile logo right here. Tail lights, bumper, all look mint. It's got the little rubber fillers in there. It's got the Hearst equipped emblem because it's a 4-speed. So yeah, the body, paint, chrome, trim, all that's excellent. I'll pull up the other wheel in a minute. It has the original 4 wheels with Goodyear tires. These tires here are 17 by 8 in the front, 18 by 10s in the back. They're wrapped in Nitto performance tires, so got a good look to it. So why don't we open it up? We'll give you a tour of the inside. Oh, let's see what we got inside the trunk. Well, under the trunk lid is painted real nice, as the stickers, as the trunk light, which looks like it's unplugged, or actually it's clipped off, it looks like. Jam's painted nice, Weatherstrip is new. Reproduction polyglass tire, never been used, on a restored rim for a spare. Has the complete jack assembly, even the lug wrench, the correct Oldsmobile mat. The whole trunk compartment's real nice clean metal. It's been spatter painted. Still nubs on the tires. They're only a year old. Door jambs are painted real nice and clean. Weather strips look new. The interior is in really nice shape. Door panels are mint. I had mentioned they put in a tilt wheel, so this column is all new and got a nice custom wheel. The dash pad's in excellent shape. Nice vents, nice knobs. It has the rally pack cluster, and it has the tick-tock tachometer over here. Vintage air controls, they're electric, no cables to push. Retro stereo. Inside the glove box is real nice. Interior lights work, nice carpet, Oldsmobile reproduction mats. The 4-speed Oldsmobile console. They didn't put a lot of 4-speeds in Oldsmobiles. Just trying to find this console is hard to do. And you can't see it, but it says 442 right on the shift handle. And then the seats, bucket seats, the cushions are really good. The upholstery is real nice. The seat belts are here. The headrest, all that looks really good. In back, the upholstery, the side panels, armrests, all look great. The rear shelf's in real nice shape. The headliner looks to be in mint condition. Matching visors. You got the shoulder belts. You got the mirrors crystal clear. So super nice interior. You know, the paint job on this car, 20 years old, and for it to look like it does, that says a lot. This is not a bondoed up car. You're not going to have to worry about the paint bubbling and flaking off. And then with the major service it's had recently, this thing's turnkey, ready to rock and roll. So the motor was completely rebuilt. Has an Edelbrock cam in there, and it has a comp cam timing set. We have the receipts for this. It says the intake was powder coated. It has a Holley Sniper fuel injection system with a Holley distributor and ignition system. Still stock valve covers, manifolds, air cleaner. The whole engine bay is nice and tidy and clean. Upgraded aluminum radiator. All the metal up here is straight and clean and fits nice. Spring clamp battery cables. Like I said, vintage air system. We got power steering, we got power brakes. So it still retains its integrity, its originality with some nice upgrades. Squirters are hooked up, has wood insulation. So Oldsmobiles have a nice sound, a little bit deeper than a Chevy. Doesn't miss a beat. No chatter in the clutch, the steering is smooth. Better not do a burnout on our brand new seal coat. As promised, I said I'd show you the original wheel and tire. They're restored beautifully, nice Goodyear tires. We have all 4 of them. The other 3 are still in bags. They go with the car. Boy, the interior just lights up. It's sparkling. It's a nice muscle car here. 4-speed, air, posi, rust-free, frame-off restored. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help with your questions. They'll help get it delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. That way you can be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.